Welcome to our What's New video series, where we talk about the newest and coolest features of our latest release. For our latest release, we have revamped the PoolParty UnifiedViews UI to help users better visualize how data should move through their data lifecycle. The platform also gives you a graphical view of all the plugins that are in play. In addition to the new UI, we've added a few more plugins to help with your integrations, including the R2RML Schema Mapper, which transforms relational data to RDF data based on R2RML, the RML Schema Mapper, which transforms tabular and semi-structured data to RDF data based on RML, the PoolParty Concept Extractor, which extracts concepts and terms from textual data using the PoolParty Extractor, the Thomson Reuters Entity Extractor, which recognizes named entities from texts using Thomson Reuters Intelligent Tagging Service, the Open NLP Entity Extractor, which recognizes named entities from texts using the Open NLP Name Finder, the Graph Search Index Constructor, which automates the generation of search data for PoolParty Graph Search, and the Dependencies batch linker, which uses machine learning algorithms to help link your own graph to graphs such as Dependencies. We have also replaced relational databases with an RDF database in order to reduce complex dependencies. In this video, we would also like to show a common use case where we would like to create a search index for graph search from existing corpus documents using some of the new plugins that we have already mentioned. So I've opened the project where you can see the pipeline that we have created. The overall workflow is as follows. First, we download the corpus documents data from PoolParty and load it into UnifiedViews as RDF. Following this, we extract the title and the full text of all documents. We send them to 3 plugins to consume different knowledge extraction services. This includes the PoolParty Concept Extractor, the Thomson Reuters Entity Extractor, and the Open NLP Entity Extractor. Concepts and named entities will then be extracted from the provided texts that were defined by PoolParty and Thomson Reuters knowledge graphs. These will be further processed for integration and refinement to filter out metadata irrelevant to our search index. In the end, the extracted content is sent to the Graph Search Index constructor, creating a sequence of index creation requests. These are then sent to PoolParty Graph Search to effectively set up the search index. Thank you for watching this video as part of our What's New video series. For more information, go to www.poolparty.biz.